firefighters to actually get into the building. So right now our main focus is just to contain the fire to what is burning right now. And so we'll have fire units on scene for probably several days.